Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm still on this Instant Pot thing here. Y'all probably saying y'all need to get. I'm telling y'all, all summer y'all better get you an air fryer and an Instant Pot. There's gonna be a lot of videos on air fryers and Instant Pot. Today, as you see by the video and the picture and the title, I'm doing some old school smothered turkey wings in the Instant Pot. Let me show y'all what the butcher did for me. So they'll fit all in the Instant Pot nicely. See how he cut my wings? He cut them in thirds. See that? Cut them already cut up just like that. That way, after I sear them off, even the tips. See that? If you got a good butcher, y'all, I'm telling y'all. Like I told y'all in the previous video, you got a good butcher, he'll do all these things for you. See that? Nice and they're easier to eat like this too, y'all. Very simple to eat like this. Y'all see that? Dylan will be here in a minute, y'all. I'm just starting the video a little early. It's just gonna take a little bit. But, so what I'm gonna do right now, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna season this up with salt and pepper, a little cavenders, a little shake. And I got my skillet over here to kind of move. I could do it in the Instant Pot. Y'all know I can sear it there. But I'm gonna sear it in my skillet. I'm gonna put a little flour. I'm gonna show y'all when I come back. I'm gonna dust in a little flour, sear it off in the skillet. Get a nice golden brown color on them. Then I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot. 1 hour, y'all. 1 hour. These things gonna be falling off the bone tender. We're gonna serve with some white rice. Gonna have the gravy already made in there. I'm gonna put some onions in there. It's good Sunday afternoon dinner right here, y'all. So anyway, let me get them seasoned up. We'll be right back when I start to sear them off, and we'll go from there. Old school soul food Sunday dinner recipe idea favorite. Just getting started. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, I got my flour, and I'm going to do my little shake and bake thing here. I got my flour here in this bag. And all we're going to do, y'all, we're going to go over to this skillet here to my left and your right. We're going to sear them off in this skillet right here. Let's go down here. All right. All right. Shake and lift there. And I just want to get a nice golden brown color on them before I put them in the Instant Pot. Just get a nice sear on them. I'm doing the tips too. One thing about turkey, y'all know I'm not a big turkey fan, but I love turkey wings and turkey necks and the turkey butts, of course. But I like the tips because the tips has a lot more meat on it, of course, than the chicken tips of the chicken. So we get them all seared off in here. If you had illusion and you just turn on the TV, you think I'm frying chicken. The way he cut them so perfectly, these turkey wings, y'all. So let's say, get you a good butcher, y'all. And make sure you tip him like I told y'all. At Christmas time, tip your butcher. Tip your mailman, tip your lawn guy, tip your mechanic, tip your taco man. It'll help you out all throughout the year. I believe in tipping people, especially when they do a good job and help me throughout the year. It really turns cold and helps you in the long run. You'll get things and other people won't get. Okay. Put some other ones here in the flour, y'all, while y'all watching that. Once I get that turned over, I'm going to put it right in the pot. Put it right in the pot, y'all. This pot going to be very full. But yeah. Okay. Get my tongs here. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. When you get this video, it probably is going to be Sunday. Like I said, hope everybody had an awesome, safe weekend. We got 4th of July coming up, Monday. I think tomorrow is 4th of July. So hope everybody having a good plan for that. Okay, we're gonna sear this off. Alright, see that nice golden brown, that's what I want on it, y'all. This nice seared. I mean, you can do it without searing it off, but I think it just gives it a more depth of flavor. And like I told y'all, I did season them with I put cavenders in here, salt and pepper, and my shake. And that's the color you want there, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna get the other one seared off, and I'll come back and show you the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, let me get the last ones out here. Get them out and put them in the Instant Pot over here. You got that nice sear, golden brown. Like I say, y'all, see how they eat so much better when you cut them like this? So we're gonna put them over here in my Instant Pot. This thing will be pretty full over here. That's a good thing, y'all. That's a good thing. I have a big old pot of goodness over here. Let me show y'all here. See that big old pot of goodness right there, y'all? Look at that. Look at that, y'all. It's full. Now, we're not through yet. We're not through yet. We're going to go back down here. Now, I'm going to make some onion to go on top of it. Throw my onions in here. Get them good and seared off. And I got extra oil in there because I'm going to make gravy, y'all, right here in this pot. Make a little sauce to go right here in this pot. That's why I got a lot of onions, a lot of oil left in there. And dirty flour lady, get ready. Oh, I can hear her now. Honey, this man in here doing that, using that flour again, that old dirty flour, making that gravy. Honey, come here, honey. I can hear her now, y'all. Hear her now, telling her husband to come here and watch Chef Jeffrey trying to kill people with this dirty flour. So anyway, y'all, we're going to get this seared off. A little bit, and then we're gonna add our flour to this. Just a second. I got the chicken stock here. We're gonna add to this too, and some more water. First thing I do, I want to kind of cook these a little. You know what? I'm gonna put a little onions in, a little garlic in here too, y'all. Go to the next level. Y'all know me. I don't over season stuff because I want you to taste, put a little garlic in there. I want you to taste what you eat. I don't want you to be tasting all them spices. I like people to kind of taste what they're eating here. Okay, the garlic in there, y'all. Oh, wow, you smell that garlic. It's amazing, y'all. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay. Now we're going to put our flour in here, y'all. And we're going to make a slight little sauce into this. Like I say, this is the dirty flour that I breaded the turkey with. Get it all mixed up in there. Get it all done. I'm just going to make a nice light, it's not going to be heavyweight gravy, y'all, but it's going to be a nice sauce, I would call it, more of a sauce than a gravy. And I'm going to serve this old white rice. Of course, you can use mashed potatoes, whatever. Alrighty. Get that flour taste cooked out there a little bit. We're going to add our stock to this. Might add a little Worcestershire sauce to this, y'all. Smells amazing, y'all. Okay. Now we're gonna add our stock to this. I'm gonna add a little bit more, but I know that ain't gonna be enough. No, that ain't gonna be enough. And what's gonna happen, y'all, as this cooks in the Instant Pot, the residual flour that I have on the turkey wings is going to help thicken it also. So I don't want to put too much more flour in here. So we're going to let this cook just a little more. And we're going to pour this right into the Instant Pot without making a mess. Y'all know what? You know I love my Worcestershire sauce, y'all. Just bring stuff to the next level. Hold on just a second. me, it just brings stuff to the next level. A little bit of that in there. To me, it just brings gravy to the next level. And also gives it a little more color too, y'all. Okay. Now don't fret or frown, y'all, because that looks a lot thick. We're gonna add some more water in after I get it into my Instant Pot. Let's move over to this and see if I can do this without making a mess, y'all. I usually do now. Now I'm on camera. It's gonna be impossible. Let me turn this off. Okay, turn it right into there. Pour that right up on top of there. All right. Now what we're gonna do, like I say, I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid to this, y'all. A little bit more liquid to this. There we go. There we go. Make sure it's covered pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit more. But I like to at least come up to where it's covered. There we go. There we go, y'all. And then it's gonna make its own liquid anyway, y'all, as it's cooking. Okay, now, y'all with me? We're going 60 minutes with this, y'all. We'll do 90. We'll do 90. Make sure they really fall out the bone. Put that on there. Make sure it's sealed. We're going with meat. So we'll do poultry. We'll go poultry on this thing, y'all. We'll do poultry. We're going to change it up a little. Nah, that's slow cook. Huh, y'all ain't. Go 90 minutes on this thing. Usually take 2 hours. We'll do 90. And that's it. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see? 90 minutes there. I'll put it on the portrait setting. I'm trying to be creative here. Usually I do meat setting. We're gonna do portrait setting since it's poultry. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back here in about an hour and a half. And we'll show you what we got. I got some white rice to be ready. We're gonna try these old school smothered turkey wings in Instant Pot. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. 90 minutes, y'all. And I did a quick release on this. I didn't let it release itself. And it took a long time, y'all, to release. It took like 2-3 minutes for this thing to release itself. But the steam is released. Like I tell y'all, it will not open until the steam is completely released. So we're gonna open it up. I always open it against you, away from you. Look what we got, y'all. It's over here. See this, y'all? There we go. I told y'all they're gonna be falling apart. It made its own gravy, as you can see. See that nice onion gravy? Got the garlic in there. The wings are just falling apart. Let me get a fork here and show y'all. I'm gonna come back in and see that. How tender those are, y'all. 90 minutes. Just put it in, sear it off, put it in Instant Pot. Make your own gravy there. Throw it on there. And that's what you got. So what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna step off here. I'm gonna take this and put it in a regular pot, and I'm gonna come back. I got some white rice here. I'm gonna make a plate, and we're gonna try it, and we're gonna see how good it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Check this out. That's a Sunday dinner right there, y'all. That's Sunday dinner right here. Let me show y'all. Let me put a little hot sauce. You know I love hot sauce on my Smothered whatever. But y'all see how easy I did that in the Instant Pot? And you don't need no knife for this, y'all. And I think this is the, I don't know if this is the flat. This is the flat part of the turkey. The rice with that. Look at this here. There we go. Perfect. Look how tender that turkey just fall off the bone. 90 minutes. In the oven, this will take 2-3 hours, y'all. All you gotta do is season it really good. Sear it off in the skillet like I did it. Put it in there with some chicken stock. That's what you get. Get the bone to come out clean. See that, y'all? That's how tender it is. Perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. I can't stop it. I love this. You know, I don't eat turkey. Y'all already know. Don't give me no turkey breast, but give me the wing and the tail. I don't want the leg, I don't want the breast. Give me the wings and the butt, and I eat it all day long. But anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.